Henri Hipparchus, Math in the Stars. Born near 180 BC in Nisai, Turkey, it could not have been anticipated Henri Hipparchus would be a catalyst for the world of math and astronomy. Making a myriad of planetary theories, his primary accomplishments was his precision of the equinoxes. Having founded trigonometry, he was able to apply his knowledge to his passion of the stars. Embedding his experience of observation of both Babylonian and Greek culture, he was able to accurately discover the distance between the moon and planet Earth, before he died around 120 BC in Rhodes, Roman Republic, which we now know as common-day Greece. A man lost in the stars led to the development of trigonometry. In Henri Hipparchus' early years as an astronomer, he developed what we now call trigonometry as a means of cataloging the stars. Using the influence of Babylonian culture, he was able to have initiated the study of plane trigonometry, devising for that purpose a table of chords of angles ranging from 0 to 180 degrees. Encyclopedia of World Biography. At this point in history, cultures were more intertwined due to Alexander the Great's conquest of Egypt in 332 BC and Babylonian 331 BC. This led to an infusion of cultures and theories. Learning and pulling from the Babylonian system again, Hipparchus was able to divide a circle, dividing a circle into 360 degrees and dividing each degree into 60 arc minutes, quoted from thefamouscientist.org. A system we currently still utilize in modern-day society. Having a natural aptitude for a pursuit of the logistics of the stars, he took care in analyzing the data he composed during his tenure as an astronomer. Apart from incorrectly identifying the period of the sun's rotation from equinox to equinox by only 6 minutes and 30 seconds, he accurately measured the distance from Earth to the moon using dimensions we still use today. Quote, although it is not explicitly attested, there is little doubt that Hipparchus realized this and stated that the mean distance of the moon lay between the bounds 67 1/3 and 59 Earth radii. He thus arrived at a value for the lunar mean distance that was not only greatly superior to earlier estimates, but was also stated in terms of limits that include the true value, about 60 Earth radii. Quoted Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography. Apart from his discoveries, he performed a plethora of hypotheses surrounding theories of the planet's orbit. Due to his use of the Babylonian system, however, he failed to get an accurate reading of the planet's orbit, being they do not orbit in a complete 360 pattern. Most of his theories would later be disproven, however he was a man that was years before his time, simply unequipped with the resources to unveil the depths of his discoveries. Henry was a scientist, however, using mathematics to equate the conducting of our solar system. He meticulously hypothesized eclipses of both the sun and the moon over the course of 600 years. Designating his time in the correlation of the stars, he began focusing on the idea of them being fixed to the sky, and that we orbit. At this point in history, he was unable to accurately prove his assessment, however, as history comes to tell this theory is true. All of these astronomical discoveries would not have been plausible if he had not discovered trigonometry. Many mathematicians and astronomers have paved the way for our current state of science and technology. Using the knowledge complied from their procedures, we as a society have been allowed to flourish in discovery. Henri Hipparchus specifically took a stride in the use of mathematics through triangles, the development of the table of chords, and his many theories pertaining to the stars. His discoveries allowed for a pivotal path to the way we interact and measure the stars even to this day. Little is known of his personal life, but his research has lived up to today. Thank you.